Hello everyone, welcome to another video of VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we will cover how you can use one NVIDIA add-on to translate any text from any language to any language. Guys, generally if you want to translate any text, suppose you receive any message in your WhatsApp or email or anywhere else, and you don't know the language or you are not able to understand the language, especially if it's in English, because all people are not able to understand English properly. Even we can speak, so we need to translate the messages or the text in other languages, especially in our mother tongue. So generally what we do is we need to go to any website or applications such as Google Translate, Microsoft Translate, etc., and then we can translate our text. But after watching this video, you will know how you can easily translate just by using shortcuts if you have this NVIDIA add-on. At the end of the video, I'll reveal the name of the NVIDIA add-on. But before that, let's see how this add-on will work. For video purpose, I have this text.
VI Tech Academy is a pioneering institution dedicated to empowering individuals with the skills and knowledge required to thrive in the digital age, with a focus on accessibility and inclusivity. The Academy offers a range of courses and training programs tailored to meet the unique needs of its students, from web development and design to digital literacy and beyond. VI Tech Academy is committed to bridging the gap between technology and accessibility and fostering a community of innovators and leaders who are shaping the future of tech.
So just let me slow down the speed. So now I hope it's easy for you. So this is the text which I have written in my notepad. Suppose this text I want to translate in Bengali. So what I can do is I just select this text and I just press Shift Insert T followed by T. Remember, 2 times T here I am pressing. Why, I'll tell you later. Shift Insert T, T. So now it is automatically translated to Bengali and is copied to clipboard. So let me take a new notepad,
text editor document blank,
and paste it here. So those who know Bengali, they can able to understand. I'm just reading for 2-3 lines. So I'm just removing it. And now I am doing the same thing, but now I will translate the same text in Hindi. To do this, I just need to change the mode first. To change the mode, I just use Shift Insert T followed by S.
Languages swapped. Translate from Bangla to Hindi.
So it said that translate mode changed or languages swap from Bangla to Hindi, which I have already said. Now whatever translations I copied, whatever translations I did, which is automatically copied to our clipboard, that is automatically translated to Hindi again. Now if I just open a new notepad and paste the translation, see. So this is the translated of this text in Hindi. So now you may ask how you can use this add-on. First of all, you need to go to the add-on store and install this add-on. Then you need to go to the NVIDIA menu, followed by Preference submenu and then Settings.
NVIDIA settings.
And then you will find the NVIDIA add-on called Instant Translate. So let me go down.
Braille speech tool of audio control IBM. It tasks with tasks instant translate tool.
So here you will have some combo boxes. Now I'm pressing tab.
Instant translate property page. Source language. Combo box and
so first it is asking you to choose the source language. Okay.
Instant translate property page.
So here you can change the language to auto or whatever you want.
Task. Handler. Target language. Combo box indicate.
It's a target language.
Copy translation result to clipboard checkbox.
And it's copy translation to clipboard if you wish to that. So you can do that.
Replace underscores with spaces. May provide better translation results depending on context. Checkbox not checked.
So if you wish, you can use this. So this will replace the spaces with underscores, which may get the better result.
Use mirror mainly for Chinese users. Checkbox not checked.
Okay, use mirror. This is for Chinese user. I don't know Chinese, so I am not going to do this. I'm pressing tab again.
Support and author button.
So here is the support and author.
Use replay copy target source and categories. List alt plus C. Instant translate to of Portish. Instant translate property page. Source language. Combo box handler collapsed.
So here if I want to change, I can change it. So let me change to English automatically. Okay, so I'm choosing automatically detect language.
Target language. Combo box Hindi collapsed.
Let's say I am choosing the target language Hindi and I'm pressing tab again.
Language for swapping. Combo box Hindi collapsed.
So now it is asking like that language for swapping, which means if you choose the third language here, what happened? For example, automatically is chosen.
Target language. Combo box
and
Hindi
target
collapsed.
language is Hindi is chosen, right? So if I choose
Language for swapping. Combo box Hindi
language
collapsed.
swapping, then what happened?
Target language. Combo
This
box.
target language will be the from language. Okay, if I use the swap option, target language will be the from language, okay, or source language, and this
Language
will be
for
the
swapping. Combo box Hindi collapsed.
this will be the target language. So here I am choosing Bengali.
English. Esperanto. Handler.
Okay, so now if I change the mode, then what happened? By default it's like automatic to Hindi. Okay, then if I press that mode again, then it will be converted to Hindi to Bengali. Okay, so this way I can easily use 2 or 3 languages translations as per my requirement. Okay, now I'm pressing just tab.
Activate copy replace and use mirror main. Activate the auto swap if recognized source is equal to the target experimental checkbox checked.
So this box should be checked, otherwise it will not work.
Copy replace use mirror support and OK button.
Now click on OK button.
Start V.Academy.
So this is the general settings for this add-on. Next I will tell you how you can use this add-on with the shortcuts. But before that, guys, we are going to start our next batch of HTML, CSS, JavaScript with screen readers. This is the fundamentals of web development course from January 2025. So if you wish to learn these things, join our course. Special discount is available. Visit our website for more details. The course page link is available on our official YouTube channel. Visit the about section of the channel or follow us on other social media to get the updates. Guys, if you want to get the updates on your WhatsApp or Telegram, join our channels. The WhatsApp channel link is given in the video description below, as well as you can find in the video description, as well as you can find in the comment section also. Guys, if you want to support us, you can join us as a member, just only 29 rupees. Click on the join button and please subscribe us as a member. It will definitely help us to turn on the light of this VI Tech Academy project. Thank you all people, those who have already subscribed us as a member. By subscribing us as a member, you will get early access videos and special videos. So let's come back to the video. Now here, whatever shortcut you want to use, you have to use Insert Shift T to activate the add-on first. Remember, after pressing Insert Shift T, you need to press the other key to work. Okay. Now this is the English. Now I just need to change the mode first. To change the mode, Insert Shift T followed by S.
Languages swapped. Translate from Hindi to Bangla. No selection.
From Hindi to Bengali or Bangla. Currently there is no selection or nothing is there. So let me change the language again.
Languages swapped. Translate from automatic to Hindi. No selection.
From automatic to Hindi. It's again swapped.
V.Tech Academy.
Now VI Tech Academy is there.
Accessibility and inclusivity. The Academy offers a range of courses and training programs tailored to meet the unique needs of its students, from web development and design to.
So now here I can just select and to translate this, insert Shift T.
TT.
And it's automatically copied to the clipboard. Now,
accessibility.
Just listen one thing.
V.Tech Academy is a pioneering institution dedicated to empowering.
Now, for example, you want to translate this part only. Means this is announced by the NVDA, and now if you want to translate this only, then what you do? Press Insert Shift T followed by L. To check the translations present in copied clipboard, in the clipboard, so press Insert Shift T followed by C.
Last translation copied in clipboard.
So last translation has been copied in clipboard. Guys, these are some useful shortcuts of this application. I will try to provide all other the shortcuts on our official WhatsApp channel, so don't forget to join there to get all the shortcuts at a time. This add-on is very useful for those who are regularly use translation options and don't want to use any other applications. Important note, you need to be connected to the internet to use this feature, as this uses the Google Translate feature. To get this add-on, visit the NVIDIA add-on store and type Instant Translate so that you can able to get this add-on. I hope it's clear. Still, if you have doubts, feel free to ask into the comment section. If you find this content useful, like the video, share the video with your friends. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel for more useful videos like this. Don't forget to press the bell icon and choose all notifications so that you will get every videos. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.